Okay guys, we done waited about 20 minutes or so. So we're gonna put some of the seam sealer on here. Gonna get some of this and put it on here. You know, yeah. We're gonna put it on there. We gotta get it done. Okay. So let's do that. Okay. Let the feet out here. Okay. Okay. Alright. Kind of close up. But that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna put it up under here. Let's do this. Get this done. Here like so. Okay. Let's put a little bit back over here as well. Just to add to it a little bit. Yep. Just a little bit. Okay, under here, up in here. Okay, okay, around here. Okay. Okay. More back in there. Okay. Oh, okay. I think we're good. We are good. We are good. Okay. Here, come on, here. Put extra glob under there. All right, we've got it. Yum, yum. We got it. You'll see. Now I'm gonna probably spread the stuff just a little bit. Not a lot, just a little bit. Spread it. With like a body spreader. When you putting Bondo, I use one of those and spread this around a little bit just to spread it out. You'll see. Trying to use all of it because I don't know This stuff might harden up now that it's open. It's open, so it might harden up. Okay. All right. There we go. There we go. And I do believe that's all we're going to do with this. That's it. No more. Okay. Let's see. Yes, sir. She wrote. That is all she wrote. That is all. We are not staying on this. We are moving on pretty fast. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Okay. I don't even know if y'all can see that good. I don't think you can, but I'll show it to you when I finish. It's kind of messy, but we just trying to spread it, get it in there. Not really spread it, but get it in there. Get it in there. Get it into the cracks. It's kind of messy. Alright. I believe we're good. That's all we're gonna do with that. It's kind of sloppy. Kind of sloppy, guys. It really is. But long we got it in the cracks, this stuff is gonna heal pretty hard. It's gonna heal pretty good, so we ain't gotta sit here and just trying to get it to where it's airtight. No air ain't seeping in here. No, we're trying to get it airtight so no air won't be seeping in. And I'm pretty sure we did that. Pretty sure of it. That is done. No air won't be seeping in here. I guarantee it. Guarantee it. And with that, let me show y'all this mess job. Let me show y'all this a mess job. It is a mess. I must agree. It's a mess. It's a mess. All right. All right. Okay. Let's see the masterpiece. Let's see the masterpiece. Okay. Here we go. Yeah, y'all see that? Yeah. Okay. That is the masterpiece, guys. So now we let that dry. And then we put this heat shield. Oh no, it's cancellator. No, it's cancellator. Or whatever. Let's see. It's in here. It's in here. Here it is. Let's pull it. See if we can get it out. I hope that sun shining through that window didn't hurt this thing on the side, because he had brown and it dried it out a little bit. See that? That's why they don't want sun hitting everything like that. Look at that. It's terrible. But this is it. We got this one. This is the one we're putting in now. Okay. That is the one we're putting in. See how soft it is on this side? Oh my God. Dried out on this side. Man, that's okay. But right up in here is terrible. That's it. The sunlight won't be hitting it no more, because it'll be covered up for as long as this car lives. It'll be covered up for as long as this car lives. It'll be going there. Once that stuff dries, we'll be putting this in here. That looks a heck of a lot better than it did a few days ago. Matter of fact, when we was before we painted this gun, before we even primed it, a lot better. And that is it. That's what it is. One step closer to finishing this thing. One step closer to making it a reality for this car to be drivable soon. That's going to be the hard part. Getting this thing to actually driving again is going to be the hard part. That's going to be the hard part. That's going to be the part that you got to come out of your pocket with money. Money. That's it. All right, guys, this is going to be the end of this one. Stay tuned, because now we got to put this thing in here, and once we put that in, then I think we'll put that in before the carpet, then the carpet. And once we do that, we on the road. We're on the road. Yes. One step closer. All right. Like, comment, share, subscribe. And we'll see you in the next one when we're back in the yard. The yard. Yard 2. Peace.